Hi guys, welcome back to Cook with Renuka. Today I have come up with a new recipe and that is Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee is most trending today, so I thought of sharing you the recipe. So let's get started. Here I have this 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. Just take it in a large container and I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Then I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of hot water and just you have to give a mix with this whisker. After stirring for 2 minutes, the results are like this. You can just see it's thickening. So here is the result after beating it for 8 minutes. You can just see how it's just like a whipped cream. So this is ready now. Here I have taken a half cup of milk and I have added 1 tablespoon of sugar. So this paste is ready and here I'll be adding this paste about this cold milk. I'll be garnishing this with some coffee powder. And your Dalgona coffee is ready to go. Here are the results. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Cook with Renuka. Thank you for watching.